Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today let's talk about the Samsung ViewFinity S7 32-inch monitor. Is it good for work or should I skip it? This is a 4K monitor, which means the screen is very sharp and clear. It's great if you work with photos, videos, or want clean screen for office tasks. The colors looks bright and natural and the screen stays clear even if you are not sitting directly in front of it. It comes with a USB-C port, which is great for modern laptops. You also get regular ports to connect other devices easily. The design looks clean and modern. You can tilt the screen a bit, but you can't move it up or down, and it does not have speakers, so you will need headphones or your own sound setup. This monitor is made more for work and content, not really for gaming. If you need a clear and simple monitor for your home or office, the ViewFinity S7 is a solid pick. Just remember, no built-in sound and not meant for high-speed games. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.